Good? Everything good?
I'm recording, Bryce.
Okay. See my shirt? I do all my own stunts. Yeah, see? I'm about to show y'all how to.
Okay, Bryce wanted me to video this. What is it, Bryce?
Me doing my lightsaber tricks. Jake Bear right here is about to get it. So, stop! I caught my hand off. I got you good. Okay, you ready?
You better not be swinging that thing around in the house, especially on the TV.
Jake. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh, no!
What was that?
All I did was knock your painting off.
No, he busted a hole in it.
No, I did it. Stop it, Bryn. Put it down.
Bryn, don't film. Like, let me see the hole. Bryce Lawrence. That is ridiculous.
Stop.
Wait,
Let me
this?
see the picture. Oh,
it's just the background. Stop. We're
It's
gonna
the-
rip it up more. What?
what is that?
Dad? Can I read this?
What is it? Let me see it.
Dad, take the camera. I want it.
Okay. Hold
Okay,
on. Let me
look.
take the camera. Hold on.
Oh.
All right. So here, no, you sit down. You sit down right there. Bryn can read it. Let me have it. Here, read whatever that is. Sit down right there. I'll put the camera over your shoulder since you're filming.
Light
Reveals
answers.
answers.
Edmund. Who the heck is Edmund?
I don't know.
Evelyn, if you're reading this note, that means I am gone. Remember that trip we took many years ago? No. You said that you would never forget it. I hope that is true because I hid clues at different locations around the country.
Who's Evelyn?
Don't know.
Dad, do you know?
Nope.
Well, it's your favorite painting.
I know. I got that like 30 years ago in Colorado somewhere.
What?
I don't know where
Colorado
that came
at
from.
like a yard sale?
No, at like an antique store.
Where was I? There?
So I don't appreciate it being busted open is what I was getting at, but continue.
Clues that will help you open the device. Don't forget,
No, don't
force it open or the contents will be destroyed. I know I should have told you about this before now, but it wasn't safe. You're not even telling me this. I'm reading a note. I have no doubt that people are still searching for it. As you travel, make sure you are not followed. By who? Once you gather all of the clues, you will find the device. What device? And you will know why I went to so much trouble protecting it.
When was the painting made?
I have no
Don't
idea.
know.
Like,
You,
this note looks really old.
Evelyn, are the only one I can trust. I'm not Evelyn, thank you very much.
But it looks carefully folded. It's not like crumpled
Okay,
up
keep
or
going.
anything.
Don't share
Don't
this
share
with
this
anyone.
with anyone. There's too much
At
at
stake.
stake.
Here, flip it over. There's more there. Hold on.
The first clue is at the base of our favorite treehouse in the forest of fallen
Rock
rocks.
trees.
What?
The first clue.
This is no clue.
don't-
Guys, Dad, can we please go?
Go where? Hold on, let me flip this around to myself. Yeah, first off, we're not going wherever that is. And secondly,
Dad,
we don't even know what it means. Hold
Please.
on. What does it mean, Bryn?
Um,
Yeah, we don't know who Edmund is. We don't know who Evelyn is. I don't remember where I got that painting. So where are you gonna go? Bryce?
Maybe. Well, what did it say again? The fallen something trees?
Of the forest of fallen rock trees. Rocks.
Here, I don't know. Here, Bryn. I'm gonna clean this mess up.
Let's just turn it off. Hold on, guys, just a second. Guys, comment down below.
We can have
Wait, Dad doesn't need to know about this. We can come up with ideas and then we can tell him. Guys, comment down below if you know where what is it? The forest of fallen rock trees? Here, flip it over on the floor. And so maybe they can see it. Look, guys. Okay, pause the video right now. It's not a video, it's a live stream.
Well, whatever.
But we don't have any viewers. Okay, look. The first clue is at the base of
What is this block?
I don't know, that might be the device or something.
Wait, guys, like and subscribe and comment down below to convince my dad. And if you know where this fallen rock trees is, then comment down below where you think it is.
Wait! Come up with ideas, like right now.
Yeah.
So, guys,
Guys, comment down below if you enjoyed this live stream.
we are gonna upload every live stream that we do. We're gonna upload it to a YouTube. I didn't know this lightsaber was gonna turn into a catastrophe.
Wait, guys, but here's the thing. It turned out that Bryce was getting in trouble, and then it turned out to be a mystery.
Well,
From
yeah.
Edmund
Okay.
and Evelyn.
So, what would you think? Fallen rock
Guys,
trees.
comment down below.
Stop talking to the viewers.
Comment down below if you know who Edmund and Evelyn are.
They wouldn't know. Now, who do you think? What would you think? What is this? What would you think the fallen rock trees are? Okay. So, do you know anything of rock trees?
Stop recording.
Guys, no.
Goodbye.
No.
Guys,
Just shut it off.
No.
Nice. Shut it off.
It could be. It could be. It could be